Okay, guys, we have a very poor score again, 459, 130 correct. I thought the exam was pretty easy in the first half, the first three parts, and then the fourth and fifth part hit me like a sucker punch basically. Biochemistry, I will admit I have to read again, I think so. I could not answer most of the questions, like I shouldn't even have attempted some of them. Physio is okay. Anatomy also, I'll have to read again, read from multiple sources, solve more questions because anatomy is constantly in my lowest since a very long time. Physio seems okay, patho seems okay. Micro, I don't know what went wrong. PSM also, I don't know, there's so many updates in PSM that I don't understand how much do we have to read. It is like exhaustive. We can't just read everything. Yeah, so 5 questions of Opthal, all wrong. Again, Opthal, they give weird ass questions that like you can read everything in Opthal and still they would find a topic that is out of the syllabus. ENT, okay. Forensic is always okay for me. Medicine, okay. Surgery, okay. Pedia, okay. Pedia is always, Pedia and Obs Gynae are always top for me, so that's alright. Ortho, I did wrong. Like, okay, we'll have to see that. Psych also, I get pretty high always. Radio, always. Dharma is a flip flop for me nowadays. Like either I'll get almost all correct or I'll get in the bottom percentile. There is no in between. Anesthesia also it was okay. Physio also, yeah, seems okay. 39% of your guest answers are correct. Oof, that is bad because like in Marrow I get like 60-70% guest answers correct. 39% means I'm taking a very big hit. So yeah, I've got to improve that by some means. Again, they have not given the percentile. Like I think they give the percentile quite late. So yeah, I think there's time. View analysis. I just did that. Now I have to view the text solutions. I have done the first couple of them. This one. I did this wrong. Like I thought that the compound is showing excellent activity in initial testing, but after 3 weeks of use, several surfaces show bactericidal contamination. So I thought maybe there was some organic, no, uh, challenge over there. That's why. So I marked Chick Martin. Okay, should have read the question better. These are all correct. MRSA correct. Estrogen. Okay, this one I didn't know. Prosthetic urethra characterized by all. I knew that it was the widest, most dilatable part. I knew that it lies closer to the anterior surface. But yeah, the concavity part I didn't know. So the ductules are in the posterior wall, but the concavity is more okay in the anterior wall. Okay, got to remember that. So yeah, been having a couple of bad days. Like out of the topics that I had decided, I didn't do most of the things of yesterday. I had to shift tomorrow yesterday's schedule to today. I did the GT. I'm doing the GT review. I will be starting the new portion, that is ComMed and medicine, from 6:30 till 10 p.m. I guess. And the revision can wait actually. Revision, okay, I have to learn to be not so bothered if the revision doesn't occur. I have to, because like I know I have a pretty good grasp of the subjects right now, so even if I miss out on 1 or 2 revisions of that portion, it's gonna be all right. Any day I get a bit extra time, I can compensate. So yeah, I'm like worrying too much about that. It's not gonna be easy. It's just gonna lead to burnout constantly. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do the new portion at least today. I have done like I've written down, I have done 23 questions of INI till now of the previous year questions, and 15 are still left. After that, I will try to do at least the patho revision today. Like, I would like to do 7th day revision today. The long term revision is all right, it's in my brain, I can leave it, but the patho revision I'd like to do now. So yeah, comment guys what you got in the cerebellum GT number 24 and how you thought it was. I thought it was a pretty good GT, like in terms of difficulty, a good amount of difficulty. That is the difficulty one should be anticipating if one wants, if somebody who has attempted NEET PG24, they should anticipate this level of difficulty, and it's gonna just prepare them mentally for an even tougher NEET PG25 if it comes to that. So yeah guys, comment your scores. Bye. Someone asked about how I use my tablet, and like, it's very basic usage, it's not a big deal. Like, I added to the default apps present Marrow, Cerebellum, Yawl Punta, VN editor on which I edit my videos. Like, it doesn't require a lot of editing as of now. And I also added MX Player, Digital Detox. Digital Detox is the one I use to block my phone, and I added it to the tab also just in case. I also added YouTube Studios, which is a rabbit hole. Do not go down there. It shows like your latest video, how it's performing and such things. I mostly use Marrow, Cerebellum and the notes and my files. I downloaded all the notes onto my files. So lot of notes, like I keep all the daily schedule, all the things I've completed each day. Like, this is the schedule for January, I think, and then I had the February schedule, then I had the March schedule, and I waste a lot of time on making stuff like this and this to make it look pretty. Like, my ADHD brain cannot comprehend just writing down the topic. I need to decorate the page also. After that, this is the page where I like to cross out how many days are left. This is pretty important for me. Then I have a, like, I haven't reviewed this, but I do have an image folder, which is one of the advantages of using this tab. This tab, first of all, is the Samsung S9 FE Plus series, the 256 GB one, and whenever I see a picture that I would like to add in my notes during the exams, I do so. Lots of subject wise pictures are there, not that I have seen them a lot, but yeah, they are there. And leaving that, I don't have a lot of notes except for that. In the notes over here, we have some of my subject notes and some of my notifications as such, which I directly download from Chrome. So yeah, that's it. I don't have a lot of other things on my tab as of now, and highly recommend this tab. Extremely useful, great screen size, easy to take pictures and everything. Like, supposing I want to take an image of this, I just press it with my S Pen and I do the smart select thing, and it rotates for a while, and then I can take an image, a screenshot of literally anything, and that makes it extremely useful for me. So yeah, this is how I use my tab basically. Hey everyone, it is now 11:16 a.m. of the 2nd of March, and I have not done anything up till now. As you can see, my goals for today are totally empty. Haven't done anything at all. So I'm gonna buck up now. I had a pretty good day yesterday in terms of productivity, and I can't let that streak go down. So I will start with GT review and probably continue on with physio first. Will try to complete this in the morning hours itself before I go to sleep at 1:30ish short a sort. Yeah, I'll keep you updated and on how it goes.